Hi, in this video, we will know about the classes icon in the mutual fund tab of the StockEdge app. In India, there are over 2500 mutual fund schemes to choose from. This could make selecting the right mutual fund for an investor very intimidating and challenging. So, in order to make investors more aware about different types of mutual funds, we designed the tab known as classes. Here, we have segregated mutual funds depending on the asset class they invest in. The different mutual fund categories are equity funds, debt funds, hybrid funds, and other funds. Each asset class fulfills a different investment objective. For instance, equity funds are known to offer higher returns but are also very risky. On the other hand, debt funds are less riskier but attract lower returns than equity funds. So, when you click on the Classes tab, the first page that opens will contain a list of different types of mutual funds under the equity category. Clicking on any mutual fund class will open a new page that will contain all the schemes from that fund class. The funds shown will be in descending order of their returns. You can also change the return tenure based on your requirements from a range of 1 day to 5 years. Clicking on any scheme will take you to the fund's detailed info page. A second tab you can click on is the Overview tab. Here, you can see a detailed explanation of the selected scheme. The class name, category, subcategory, and a description of the mutual fund class will be shown here. You can also view a mutual fund class video here, which will help you to give an in-depth knowledge of each type of mutual fund. At StockEdge, our goal is to make picking the right fund for you fairly straightforward and simple. The third and the final tab you can select under the classes icon is the AUM tab. Here, you can view the total asset under management held by a particular class of fund on a monthly basis. You can also select AMC-wise or scheme-wise if you so wish. Under AMC-wise, you can view the total AUM held by each mutual fund company. Under the scheme-wise option, you can view the total AUM of each scheme from that mutual fund class. Within this, you get a complete set of relevant data and information for each type of mutual fund scheme under the equity fund category. You can similarly follow the same process to view information about debt, hybrid, and other categories. All the data is updated at the end of each trading day by a team of analysts. So, it is up to you whether you want to research or find information about a mutual fund scheme-wise, fund-wise, or category-wise. Thank you for watching.